Hey you guys, I shot this video for Instagram, but figured I'd share it here on YouTube for you as well. Hey you guys, and welcome to the Millionaire House and my 2019 edition of the 12 Days of Christmas. I'm so excited. We're going to be kicking things off in just a few days. So I figured I'd pop on and say hello because we have so many new followers and kind of let you know how things work. So for the past few years, I've been doing a series called the 12 Days of Christmas. So for 12 days straight over on my YouTube channel, I'm giving you action-packed, super fun ideas, lots of chunky material to help you get ready for your holidays. So it's just a way for me to say thank you to all of my fans and supporters here and over on YouTube, and for me to give back to you. In addition to that though, we also do a giveaway, and that's for the people who are kind of like what I call my super fans. So you're following me everywhere and you're really engaged in the content that I provide all year long. And so for that, there's a couple things that you'd have to do if you want to qualify. This year I'm actually doing 2, and all you've got to do for that is make sure you're following me here on Instagram, you're subscribed to my YouTube channel, and you're following me on Pinterest. So that part's really easy. Next is the fun part. It's fun for you and it's fun for me too. I get to interact with you in my childlike, Christmas-like kind of way. So what we'll do every day, I'll release the video on YouTube. But first, we're gonna start here on Instagram. I'm gonna release a story, and in the story, there's gonna be a clue. And it's gonna give you the question that you'll need to answer after you watch my YouTube video. So you'll start here in my stories on Instagram around 7 a.m. Eastern time. Once you're done with the story, go over to YouTube and watch the video. When you're done watching the video, answer the question in the comments on my YouTube channel. Really simple. And then you can stop there if you'd like. But if you want to enter the giveaway, hop on over to the blog. Everything's going to be housed there. Makes it a lot easier for me to process through the giveaway, so you can enter there, and all the links that you'll be looking for the products I'm going to be sharing will also be housed over there as well. I'm also hosting a second giveaway this year. You guys know I like to have a little fun at Christmas time. So this year I'm going to let you guys play along, and most of you have already met the G4's family elf on the shelf. His name is Ty. He likes to make little appearances in the videos this year. If you find him, you can also go over to the blog and enter into a giveaway for that too. So I'm going to be doing that all 12 days. Find Ty or answer the question from the clue in the Instagram story to participate in the giveaways. And Ty's pretty sneaky. You may already see him in this video. I'm really looking forward to this. It brings me so much joy to be able to give this to you guys every year. Thank you so much. From my family to yours, we wish you a very Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and let's have fun for the 12 Days of Christmas.